Hi guys, this is a compressor for 4G91. This is a magnet contact. If you on the switch on the aircon, and then current comes here, and then wait for. So below of this is a sensor for read the pressure. If refrigerant not inside the this compressor, so no power supply to magnet. So magnet can contact here. So you can see this is a sensor for refrigerant. If have a refrigerant, so the sensor give the signal to here, and then goes to the magnet like this. This is for switch. Okay, this is how compressor 4G91 works.